clarity is there in this video, I don't know, because water is coming and falling on camera. Anyhow, I am taking the video. It's very heavy moment. You can see a heavy rain going on in Oman, the live scene. It's damn sure that these people, the Omani people, love it, and we also love and enjoy the sea again. The second movement also started. The second rain is coming now. I think today is the rainy day. Most of the how many water is coming in this mountain, because your biggest problem is the rainage. There is no rainage because the reason is that because there is no rain. So what is the use of rainage? So once in a while there will be a rain. That time this whole water will come out from all place on the road. So that's why you can see, in a small rain how much water is coming. It's very nice moment. See, children are coming out from their home and they are enjoying, and very nice and dedicated movements. The second rain is going to come now. See the waterfall. This video I am taking from my flat window. I just open my window and take the video. People used to take their vehicles and coming out from the home, enjoy the rain, and it's happening once in a year or twice in a year. Oh, my hand is getting pain. Because I am holding this camera and my head is outside from the window. What a moment. The cloud is very dark, very dark. The second rain is going to come now. See, the thunder, lightning, everything is there. Nice, very nice. How you can see this kind of situation in Oman? It's very difficult. The rare case is. So, I will upload this video now in YouTube. The people also can enjoy the world can enjoy the rain of Oman. And those who are watching this video, please share and share with your friends and let them enjoy the happy moment of Oman. How much clarity is there in this video, I don't know, because water is coming and falling on camera. Anyhow, I am taking the video. It's very heavy moment.